Yes, let's download Java first. It is needed before we download Android Studio. Yes, Java downloads. Select this one, which just says Java download button. Yes, this one. You will select your operating system. In my case, it is 64 bits of Windows, which is the last one. You should accept the license agreement before clicking download. Yes, click this one. It started is here. I will cancel it because I already downloaded before. Now let's search for Android Studio. These are needed. Yes, the green button here says for Windows. It automatically detects my Windows. You should select I have read the agreement. Now it started to download, but I will cancel it also because I already downloaded too. Now I can close this ones and I will show you where my files are. Yes, here is the Android Studio, which is 1.13 gigabytes, and the Java JDK file, Unity, which was downloaded before, is here. Now you can install all these ones, but first you have to install Java first. It is needed before Android Studio, and also Android Studio will be needed on Unity when rendering the file. You can see here I already installed these applications on my computer. Unity is here also. Everything is set up. Yes, now it is your turn to install.